Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today in this video I will discuss with you all about astigmatism. Let's start. So astigmatism is a type of refractive error where the corneal curvature or the lens curvature is imperfect so that the light rays cannot get focused in the retina properly and it form multiple focusing point in the eye, that is astigmatism. And due to astigmatism the patient will feel problem to see the distant as well as near object because the image will appear in a distorted manner. Okay, so look at this picture. Here the upper eye is the normal eye and lower eye is the astigmatic eye. So look at the astigmatic eye and see there is multiple focusing point are there. So this is astigmatism, and due to this multiple focusing the image, that is A, is appearing in a distorted manner. Okay, so if the astigmatism is due to irregularities of the cornea, it is called as corneal astigmatism, and if astigmatism is due to irregularities of the lens, it is called as lenticular astigmatism. Now people can have astigmatism along with other refractive error. It can be nearsightedness or myopia or farsightedness or hypermetropia. Okay, so if astigmatism is present along with myopia, it is called as myopic astigmatism, and if astigmatism is present along with hypermetropia, it is called as hypermetropic astigmatism. Okay, so there is some types of myopic and hypermetropic astigmatism which I will discuss with you all in the next video in Sturm's conoid. Okay, so types of astigmatism. Astigmatism has two types: regular astigmatism and irregular astigmatism. So regular astigmatism is said to be regular if the refractive power changes regularly by the eye in two meridian at right angle to each other, that is regular astigmatism. And irregular astigmatism is that type of astigmatism where there is different power is distributed in two meridian, that is irregular astigmatism. Regular astigmatism has three types: with the rule astigmatism, against the rule astigmatism, and oblique astigmatism. In with the rule astigmatism, the vertical corneal curvature is more steeper than the horizontal corneal curvature. In against the rule astigmatism, the horizontal corneal curvature is more steeper than the vertical corneal curvature. And in oblique astigmatism, the principal meridian are not horizontal or vertical but are at right angle to each other. I am giving you an example. The suppose the meridian are at 45 degree and 135 degree. So it is, so if you see its difference, then it will be 90 degree. Okay, so this is oblique astigmatism, and irregular astigmatism I told you the definition earlier. Now what are the causes of astigmatism? Astigmatism can be caused by irregularities of the curvature of the cornea or the lens. Okay, so it can be due to an injury or surgery. So what will be the symptoms of astigmatism? So first of all, distorted vision. The patient will feel problem to see the distant object as well as near object because the object will appear in a distorted manner. Okay, he will also feel eye strain, headache or vomiting tendency. That means asthenopic symptom will be seen there. Now look at this picture. Here the first image is seen by an astigmatic eye and second image is seen by a normal eye, and see their difference. First image is appearing in a distorted manner, and this is how an astigmatic eye sees an image. Okay, so how we can diagnose astigmatism? First of all, we can diagnose astigmatism by doing keratometry. Then we can also diagnose astigmatism by doing clock dial method or fun and block method, or we can do retinoscopy, or we can do autorefractometry. Okay, so this is keratometer, and by with the help of keratometer we will perform keratometry. Then this is clock dial method and this is retinoscopy. Okay, so to correct astigmatism, there is a type of lens is used, that is cylindrical lenses. Okay, so the in astigmatism there is a defect in one meridian and in other meridian it is normal. I am telling you about the regular astigmatism. Okay. So, we can use cylindrical lens because cylindrical lens have power in one meridian and in other meridian there is no power. So, we will place the axis of the cylinder at opposite to the axis needed. Okay. I will discuss it in later on. Now, management, we can use spectacle correction. As I told you, cylindrical lens we can use to correct astigmatism, or we can use contact lenses. Okay. So, irregular astigmatism, here there is different power distributed in two meridian. Okay. So, this is a irregular astigmatism and it cannot be corrected with spectacle. So, we have to use RGB contact lens to correct irregular astigmatism. So, let us discuss about cylindrical lenses now. Cylindrical lenses have power in one meridian and in other meridian there is no power. Cylindrical lens have one plane surface and other curved surface forming a part of a cylinder. Okay. So, thus in one meridian the lens have no divergence power, which is known as the axis of the cylinder. So, in one meridian there is no power, in other meridian there is power. Okay. So, to correct astigmatism, as I am telling you about the clock dial method here. Okay. So, the patient, suppose the patient is feeling problem to see the 90-degree axis lines in clock dial method. So, what I will do? I will place the cylindrical lens axis at 180-degree. Why? Because in axis there is no power, but its opposite axis there is power. So, if I place the axis opposite to the axis needed, that means in 180-degree, then the in other meridian there is power and it will distribute in the 90-degree axis, and this is how cylindrical lens correct astigmatism. Okay. So, look at this picture here. The first image, it is convex cylindrical lens, and in the second image it is concave cylindrical lens. Okay. So, what convex cylindrical lens does? Convex cylindrical lens converts the light rays along one meridian, and in other meridian there is no power, that is the axis. Okay. And concave cylindrical lens diverges the light rays along one meridian. So, this is the difference between convex cylindrical and concave cylindrical lenses. So, that's all friends. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.